Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our peaceful English learning journey. I'm happy you're here today. Find a comfortable position, relax your body, and allow your mind to become calm and open. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence loudly and clearly. Take your time. Let's begin. Daily speaking practice. Repeat after me. I'm at home right now. I'm at home right now. I'm having breakfast. I'm having breakfast. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Excellent job. Wonderful. Meeting people. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's great to see you. It's great to see you. How have you been? How have you been? I've been doing well. I've been doing well. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? I've been very busy. I've been very busy. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Have a great day. Have a great day. Very good. Restaurant practice. Repeat after me. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. The food looks delicious. The food looks delicious. Everything tastes amazing. Everything tastes amazing. Could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. Excellent. Positive English affirmations. Repeat after me slowly. I am learning English naturally. I am learning English naturally. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. I feel comfortable communicating in English. I feel comfortable communicating in English. My confidence is growing. My confidence is growing. My pronunciation is improving. My pronunciation is improving. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I can achieve my goals. I can achieve my goals. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Wonderful. Take a deep breath. Relax. Smile. And remember, the more you practice speaking, the more natural English becomes. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep improving, and enjoy your English learning journey.